Dear students, today we have to discuss about the structure of flower, particularly with reference to the practical exams. Okay. Uh, well, uh, in practical exams, you are provided any of the flower included in your syllabus. For example, that could be from family Solanaceae, that can be Solanum nigrum, that can be what petunia or capsicum anum, okay, I mean chili, that can be Rosa indica, okay, from family Rosaceae, that can be Cassia fistula from Caesarpiniaceae, and any other flower which are included in your syllabus. I have just tried to tell you people today that you would be provided a flower by the examiner, okay. Suppose you are provided the Solanum nigrum, okay, this flower you have been provided with Solanum nigrum. It is also known as mako. What? Mako. It is also known as nightshade. Okay. What? Mako or nightshade. Okay. To save the time, I had drawn already. I had supposed that you would be provided today in this lecture. You would be provided the flower by your would-be examiner. That would be what Solanum nigrum. Okay, that can be I mean Avena sativa from Poaceae family, or that can be what Lathyrus odoratus from what pea family, okay, or Caesalpiniaceae flower, okay, uh, Cassia fistula, and so. But today we have supposed that you have been provided with Solanum nigrum, okay. It is also known as Maku in Punjabi language and Saraiki language. It is known as Ka Pilu. What? Ka Pilu in Saraiki language and Sindhi language as well. It's known as nightshade in English. Okay, but its biological name or scientific name is what Solanum nigrum. You know very well. You have stated that Solanum is a generic name and nigrum it's a specific name. Okay, the whole name is what Solanum nigrum. Now let's come. Uh, what you have to describe, how you have to describe this flower. This is, I will tell you people that you have to describe the flower in question number 2 in all the boards of Punjab, Pakistan, and Azad Kashmir as well. Suppose that can be the number can be changed in questions. Question number can be changed. However, say this is the description of the flower, and you have come across what Solanum nigrum, and what you have to describe. You will have to describe 3 parts of the flower. Either flower itself, or you can see the morphology of flower. That can be what the calyx. That can be what corolla. 1, 2, 3. That can be flower, androecium and gynoecium. That can be what calyx, androecium and gynoecium. So any 3 parts you will have to describe in your practical exam. Let's suppose that you have been asked today in this practical exam. Today you are undergoing the practical exam, and you have to describe three parts. I just suppose that you have been asked to describe what the flower and what calyx and what corolla. What corolla? Three parts you have to describe today in your question number 2, or whatsoever the number that may be in your practical exam. Okay. Now, first of all, if you have to describe the floral character, or you have to describe what the flower simply. Okay, you are asked about flower. When you are asked about flower, it means you have to describe the general characters or the morphology of the flower. Well, when you come across this question, what what should be described first? The, at first glance, at first sight, you see what either the flower is attached with the floral axis through the pedicel or not. Suppose this is the floral axis. This is the floral axis. This is another. This is a leaf. Okay, here could be another flower. Here could be another flower. Okay. I mean, you have to first of all look at the. This is supposed flower, another flower, and this is known as what, floral axis. This is floral axis. Okay. Now you see that the flower, how it is attached. First thing which you have to describe about the flower is how it is attached. So it is attached through the pedicel. It is what? Pedicel. So you will describe its P. Either it is pedicellate or not. If it is not pedicellate, then it would be sessile, but it is pedicellate because it has the pedicel. You can see here, you can see here. Then you would see either the flower can be divided into two equal parts or not. Okay. If it can be divided into two equal parts through more than one plane, through more than one plane. Suppose this is the whole flower, and this is the longitudinal section of this flower. This can be divided into two equal halves. Look, from here, okay, and you can divide this very flower into what? This is one plane. This is one plane. Okay, and here can be what? Another plane. Look, 1, 2, and 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can divide it here through more than one plane. You can divide this flower into two equal halves. If a flower has the structure, has the morphology that it can be divided into two equal halves through more than one plane, then it is known as actinomorphic. What? It is known as actinomorphic. First thing is what you have to remember, pace rule. What? Pace. First thing which you have to describe is what? It is pedicellate or not. It is pedicellate. So you will write what? It is pedicellate. First point. Okay, it is first point. Second point is what? You have to say what? Either it is actinomorphic or zygomorphic. So it is what? Actinomorphic. Actinomorphic. Okay. Next, its shape again. Its shape is like a bell. It is like a bell. Okay. In Punjabi language and Seraiki language, the bell is known as tali. Okay. You might have. heard this word tali. Okay, that tali, that is what the the bell, and if it is like campanulum, or it is known as campanulate flower. So it is what campanulate. So here is the third part of our base, campanulate. Then you have to see either it is bracteate or ebracteate. So it is ebracteate. It doesn't have the bract. In the subsequent lectures, you may come across certain flowers in which you may find the bracts. Okay, and here, for example, the flower of Avena sativa, that is bracteate. Okay, so here you would write not E, you will write B. I will tell you the formula to recall out that. Now, the second is what, this is now clear. Okay, you have described one, what? It is pedicellate. Number 2, it is actinomorphic. Number 3, it is campanulate. What? Number 4, it is ebracteate. Number 5, you can tell the overall smell if it has, for example, if you come across the Rosa indica, it's showy flower. Okay, you can say that it is scenty. So it is. It doesn't have the scent, so there is no more requirement of describing the scent of the flower. Okay. Next is what you have to describe. Say, I told you people that we have supposed that you have to describe the flower, you have to describe the calyx and corolla. You know, in the last lecture, I told you people that the first word of the flower, this is the first word, this one. Okay, this one, this one, this from the other side of the whiteboard, and here. Okay, this is the first word. This is calyx. Okay, this is what, corolla. This one. Okay, now you see this is bell, and this is again bell, this one. The calyx, in calyx you have to, first of all you have to tell the number of sepals. You know, calyx, in the last lecture I told you people, if you remember, I told you people that the calyx consists of what? Many sepals. Okay, sepal plus plus plus. It means many sepals, they form what the word which is known as calyx. So here you see this is one on this side, this is on the other side, and 2 are present on the other side of the whiteboard. You have supposed that, and here is the one, here was the one, here that was the one which has been cut through during the longitudinal section cutting. Now let's count the number. N means what? The number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 sepals. If the calyx has 5 sepals and 5 petals, then the flower is known as pentamerous. Now let's come back. What? It is pentamerous. 5 are multiple of 5. Rosa indica is a pentamerous flower. Why? Because it has multiple of 5, 25, 35, 75 sepals are petals are present. Okay, and surely 5 sepals are present in its calyx. So it is a pentamerous again. Okay, here N for number. How many sepals are there? 5. So you will say what? 5 sepals are there. Sepals, sepals, 5 in number. Okay. You will write 5. How many sepals are there? 5. Next, you have to tell what R. R means relationship. You have to tell the relationship of all the sepals. What sort of the relation they have among among one another? How they are, either they are united or they are free. If they are united, if the sepals are united like this, if you take one sepal, the others would come along with that. If there is such type of the relationship between the sepals, we say that relationship is what? Relationship shows that the calyx is gamosepalous. What? Gamosepalous. In Punjabi language, in Punjabi, to hug means what? Jappi dal. Okay, G for Jappi. You can remember it. Okay, gamosepalous. Okay. Next is what? C. You have to tell the color of the calyx. From here you can see what the sepals, they are green in color. So very clearly you can say what? Green in color. Green in color. And nothing more is required. Anything. Enough. Okay. Either they are hairy or so and so, whatever. If you want to write, okay, you just touch the back side of the sepals, and you will see that they are hairy. Okay, if they are hairy, you write. If you don't write, okay, enough. Next is what? You have to describe again NRC of what? Corolla. So I told you people in the beginning of this lecture that its corolla consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 petals. Corolla consists of what? Petals. How many petals are there? You have to tell N. How many are there? 5. Okay. So you will say what? These are 5 in number. What? Corolla. Corolla. I will write here again. 5 in number. Okay. Are what? Petals 5 in number. Okay. Petals 5 in number. Next is what? Relationship. Now recall what was R. Relationship of petals. My dear students, you can see here all the petals, they are united. Okay, if you take one petal, the other petals would come with that petal. If you take this, all the others would come with that. So the petals, they are united. So you will say what? If the sepals are united, you say what? The calyx is gamosepalous. If the petals are united, what would you say? Gamopetalous. Okay, corolla would be gamopetalous. So let me write here. Gamopetalous. Gamopetalous. Okay. And what is left? That is what the color. Okay. See, you will write what? If you are not colorblind, you would write what? You would see the color. If that is indigo, you will write indigo color. If they're white, you will say white in color. A dog that's barking, don't worry, they're not coming to you, people. Okay. And here, see what the color is. What? Red color. red color. Okay, so here is today's description. What if you write all these things, you would get full marks. Okay, uh, 5 or 6 or whatever, you would be awarded full marks. You have to write the name of the flower, that is sorenum nigrum. Flower provided is what you will, examiner has provided B, but sorenum nigrum. You are not supposed to draw this, not at all. You have just to write flower, then you have to describe its base. What the position, or it is sessile or pedicellate. Then you have to tell its shape, that is what actinomorphic or zygomorphic. It is actinomorphic. Then you have to tell its further shape, what it is campanulate, bell shaped. Then you have to tell either it is bracteate or ebracteate. Then you have to tell NRC of calyx, NRC of corolla. And then you will study in the next lecture, or I should complete it. Okay, I complete it. You have to tell N, R, R2 and A of what? Androecium. We just suppose here you have come across the question in which you have been asked about flower and androecium and gynoecium. Suppose, okay. So you have to tell what? Number of members of androecium. Number of members of androecium, that is N. So how many numbers you see? Androecium is you see what this is the androecium, this one. Okay, this one is androecium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So its androecium consists of how many stamens? These are, my dear students, these are how many these are? These are 5. These are 5 in number. How many? 5 in number. Look, here was the story of what? Petals, and now I'm going to describe this something. Look, can you see this? Let me see. Either you can see this all or not. Yeah, you can see all that. Okay, fine. Look, here is what is N? The stamens, 5. And clear? Then comes the relationship. As you studied, what R for what calyx, R for what corolla relationship. Here you have to see R relationship. Their relationship is they are what? If they are free, then you will say they are free. So you will write what? Stamens, free. It means what? Polyandrous. Okay, or you can write first polyandrous and then you write in brackets what stamens free. Then what is R2? It looks something weird. I will tell you. Relationship. If you are living in a family, the people look at if that family is under study. The researcher would see what sort of the relationship the family members they have. Then what sort of the relationship they have with Andi Gwandi, means neighbor. What sort of relationship that individual has. I didn't ask you people R2 and R2 here in case of corolla and in case of calyx. Why? The reason is that calyx and corolla have nothing to do with having the relationship with Andi and Gwandi. Why? The reason is that they are non-sexual parts. Okay, These are the sexual parts. So you have to take into mind that their relationship has to be studied. It's necessary. So R2 means what sort of the relationship it has with corolla. If the stamens they are attached with they are attached with, so this is what uh, petal, and here is a stamen. Okay, here is a stamen. Then it is attached with the sepal. If it is attached with the sepal, you'll say what it is attached with. Adelphus is something else. Attached with petals. It means what? Epipetalous. 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 This is epipetalous. Adelphus is that sort of the endotion in which they are attached with one another. When the stamens are attached, this is one stamen, the other stamen is attached with it, the other is attached with that. Then you say what? The endoderm is adelphous. But here in this case, it is polyandrous. They are not attached with one another, but they are attached with the protozoa. Okay, they are attached with what? The petals. Clear? Well, so this is R. This is R2. Next is what? What A? You have to tell A. A means anther. You know, this is stamen. Okay, this is stamen, and this is what? Filament. Now, you have to tell about. I'm sorry. This whole is. I'm sorry. This whole is what? Stamen. This one, and I'm sorry. This is what? This is filament. I may elaborate. This is filament. Okay. This is anther. And anther and filament, both they form what? The stamen. Clear? Now, in the last lecture, you have studied this. Now, look, here you have to tell anther what type of the relationship it has with the stamen. They are versatile, or they are basifix. So here they are attached with the base, so they are known as basifix. So you have to tell about what? The anther, particularly the position of the anther. Okay, so these are basifixed. N, R, R2 and A. Clear? Next comes what? Gynation. What's something you have to describe? Ladies and gentlemen, what first of all you have to describe? N. So here in this case, you can see here there are two, 1 and 2. Okay. In this gynation, there are two carpels. So it is bicarpellary. You will say what? This is what? Let me erase it now. This one. Look, this is this one. How many carpels are there? 2. So you will say what? Bicarpellary. Bicarpellary. Now again, what does mean R? R means relationship. Either they are living in a single house. These are two wives. Okay. Either they are living together or they are living separate. If they are living together, then you will say what? The gynoecium or harem. Okay. Gynoecium is what these are carpels are united. I asked you people, don't don't feel fear of the barking dogs. The dogs, they keep on barking and you have to keep on working. Okay, never feel about the barking dogs. Okay, come back. It is bicarpellary. Then their relationship. If they are living together, then you will say what? Syncarpus. Gynoecium is Syncarpus is what? Gynoecium, not carpels. Syncarpus. Relationship. And then what is S and S2? You have to tell. S means style. S means, or you can say what S means stigma. Okay, if you come from upper side to lower side. S means what is stigma. Stigma, you see, it is bifid. Okay, it is bifid. Okay, like this, like this. Here is stigma. Okay, this is whole the stigma. This is style. This is ovary. So stigma is bifid. Okay, it looks as if it has been divided into two parts. Okay, and they are combined. And stigma is bifid. If you touch it here, it would be sticky. What? It would be sticky. Why it is sticky? The chemicals are produced. Listen, the chemicals are produced which keep on waiting for what the pollen grains. Okay, as they reach there, they being sticky, they stick them. Okay, they are attached with them so that they may not go. Next is what the S2 means style. Style is long. Okay, you can distinguish when you can distinguish the space between ovary and the stigma, you say what style is long. And if the style is very short, then just starting from the ovary, there is short style, and then starts what the stigma. Here, all the flowers in your syllabus, they have long style. Style is long. You will write what? Style long. Style long. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, third point. And next comes what about the ovary? This one. Ovary is you have to tell me first. Either ovary is on the upper side, the sepals are on the upper side. Surely the ovary is on the upper side. Then you look at the base of corolla, or the petals. You see the petals, they are on the lower side, and then is ovary. And if you again look at the stamens, the base of the stamens are again, they are originating from the place from where are originating the petals. Okay, so if they are on the lower side and the ovary is on the upper side, you will say what? The ovary is superior. What? Ovary is superior. Okay, so you will say what? You can write very fairly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ovary superior. Okay, there are many other points which can be discussed here, but as per your syllabus, it is enough. If you write, you will get the full award of the mark. If you haven't, ladies and gentlemen, if you have understood well, it's your duty to send this lecture to those people you love.